What's up, everyone? Welcome back. My name is Justin, and today got another update on the Volkswagen, and this will be the last update for 2 weeks. I'm leaving for vacation, so I actually leave in 6 hours. By the time you're watching this video, I'll probably be on the plane. But do a quick update, show you guys where we're at. We're still gonna be working on it while I'm gone. The friend that's helping me up here at the shop, he's still gonna be working on it. He'll still be filming with the other GoPro here and there, just some little stuff, but there won't be a video for 2 weeks. But we actually have an engine cover on. This is an NOS engine cover, and the latch is in and the weather seal is in. You can see how nice that fits all the way around. It's really nice fit, and it is an NOS. It's got all the German writing on it right there. There's your part number. Pop this guy open. Really nice piece. It's in great shape. Got the weather seal in, plates on, and the inside is pretty much, this is all done back here. So here's the new piece. You can see that's the seam there. It's a new piece all the way across. And then this piece is also welded. You can see all the spot welds across there, all across the top, goes all the way through. And then underneath, you can see all our spot welds down there. And this we've been working this some more, because this one has, it's kind of more of like a dome shape. It's not completely flat. This one was, so we've slowly been working at this. It does have a little bit of a shape in it there. But we're making progress here. We did get a little bit of footage of this cut apart from this week while they were working. So we're gonna cut to that really quick and show you what it looked like before it was done. Then we'll come back. Okay, so you guys saw what it looked like cut apart. There's where we are now. Here's for the, this is just a test piece we had going for the spot welds. See how they're gonna look, get the right sizing on them. This is a 1mm default setting on a pulse to get that look right there. And these are the channels. This is our first test piece for the channels. This one's gonna go here once it's done. And then we gotta make a piece to go all the way around after. But we wanna make this, get the new weather seal, check it, and then go from there. So that's kind of where we're at on that. We got the nut plates for in there. These are gonna, this one's coming off because it was never used originally. And this one we're gonna take off also because we're not gonna have the air cleaners. It's not gonna have the factory air cleaner. It's gonna have dual Webers, which if you're interested in what we're doing with the engine, I have a whole bunch of videos on that, tearing it apart. As soon as I get back from vacation, we're gonna start the rebuild on the engine, so you can follow along on that. But it's gonna have dual Webers on it, so we're not worried about having that bracket or that one. We're gonna take both off, clean up the engine bay. It'll make fixing those rust holes a lot easier, and it would just make the whole thing cleaner overall. But get that closed. That's where we're at on this. Just an ask from you guys. These front pieces, I've talked about them in like every single video. That whole front lower panel right there. If you know where one is, get a hold of me. Comment. My Instagram is linked in the description below. I'll also put my email in the description below. Get a hold of me if you know where those are. We've been looking for those for a while. Can't get them. We have a place in Arizona looking for them. We got a guy in California looking for them. And we also have a guy in Mexico looking for them. Still haven't got anything. So if you know where one of those are, get a hold of me. There's a finder's fee on them. We can discuss that if you find them, what kind of condition they're in. But that's kind of what we're stuck at this point. We don't want to make them from scratch. We will if we have to, but we don't want to. So get a hold of me if you can find those. That's what we're waiting on. But here's where we are on the back. You can kind of see how nice it fits in there, how everything looks. Done really well. I'm really happy with it. Fits real clean. And yeah. So we're gonna cut this one off here, guys. Again, we'll be back in 2 weeks. But stay tuned for more. We're gonna have a bunch of engine videos and body videos when I get back. I'll see you guys later. Make sure, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Keeps me going, keeps me wanting to do these videos. So I look forward to talking with you guys, and I'll see you guys later.